This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable website sounds on the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Brave here. I have the Brave web browser opened up now. To enable or disable website sounds, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go to Privacy and Security. Click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to go down to where it says Site and Shield Settings. Click on Site and Shield Settings. Then you want to scroll all the way down toward the bottom, down to where you see it says Additional Content Settings. You want to make sure you expand that. Then the very top thing, Sounds. By default, I'm set to Sites Can Play Sound. I'm going to click on it. Right up top, it says Sites may play sounds to provide audio for music, videos, and other media. Default behavior. Sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. By default, I have Sites Can Play Sounds toggled on. You could toggle on Don't Allow Sites to play sounds. It says Features that need sound won't work. If you toggle that on, down below that, it has Customized Behavior. You could list certain sites not allowed to play sounds. You could add the site right here. Allowed to play sounds. You could add a website here. But the main feature is right up top here, the default behavior. That is how to enable or disable website sounds on the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.